Okay guys, so before you install the gear sprocket, you have to install that bolt. Hope you see. It's below the guide. 50 Newton meter of torque. Now we can install the guide just like that. Just like that. Just like that. It has to be on the chain, right? That now the next one. Now the next. Okay. And now we can install the sprocket. Okay. Now we have to slack again, just a little bit. Now again, just a little bit, and that's it. Now again, put the back. That's it. Okay guys, so everything is installed back on place. Camshafts are tightened up to specs. Timing tool installed. These two bolts are tightened. Here the third one we're gonna install later on. As you can see, the tensioner lock is still on place. Now is the time to release the tension and remove the tool, and we're gonna turn the engine to RPMs. Okay. Everything is under tension. Now we're gonna remove the timing tool. We have to remove the crankshaft pin. The flywheel pin, locking pin, is still in place. So we're gonna lift up the car and remove the pin, and we'll turn the engine to revolutions to check the timing. Okay guys, let's start to turn. Yeah. Let's put back the open. Okay guys, so see the marks. Exactly there. You can check the other exhaust, but there is no sense. engine is timed